Today's readings speak to us of how Elijah and his disciple Elisha were in a very special moment. Elijah was supposed to be carried away into heaven like an ascension, and his disciple Elisha was holding on to him, not wanting him to go. But finally, he accepts a kind of parting gift, and that parting gift is the cloak that Elijah had, which signified his great learning, his wisdom, his power. And that eventually comes to the disciple, and the disciple is able to do the same works that his master had been doing. All parting is normally sad. We do not want someone attached to us to go away, and we cling on to them, but they have to go. They have to be where they have to be. And we continue the tradition of those people. Our own elders or parents who have gone before us, we carry with us in some way the cloak of their goodness, the cloak of their charity, or the cloak of those special qualities that they had. And so that was a gift that they gave to us, and we maintain it. And in turn, we hope to pass on those qualities to others. If some of you have seen a painting just outside this Basilica in the sacristy area, you see Francis Xavier dying. He's dying in a little hut on that island of Saint Jean. And while he's dying, his hand is clutching the Bible. There's a rosary around him, a crucifix. But his faithful companion, a layman, Antonio, is kneeling by his side, just in sorrow, but also in great expectation that the power of the great saint will pass to him. It's a very special moment. The ships are in the distance. There's no one around. But in that very heightened moment, the power of Francis, I'm sure, was passed on, or the inspiration of Francis Xavier was passed on to that faithful companion, the layman Antonio. Today's gospel speaks to us of doing things without great fanfare or adulation. We do it because we do it for God. Some years ago, I remember I was about to enter the church of St. Francis Xavier in Pune, and a man was putting a nice warm shawl over a poor person at the entrance of the gate, and I was very impressed by it. But I wondered why they were kind of lingering long over putting that shawl, till I found a photographer was somewhere nearby, and he was capturing that moment for eternity, I guess. Maybe the man doing it was a politician in the making or whatever, but he didn't want that moment to go by without others knowing that he had put a expensive shawl on that poor man in December when it tends to be cold. But what the Lord is asking us today is to do things quietly, not because someone praises you, but because you believe in it. And I think that's the solution to many problems. Many people say, I do so much and I don't get any fame or credit. But if you love doing what you are doing, then do it without others having to tell you or not. And God really appreciates what you are doing and will bless you. May the readings for today teach us that we can pass on goodness to others and do it in secrecy as the Lord asks of us. Amen.